Have you ever found yourself spending more time on your phone than you'd like? Phone dependency is an increasingly present reality in our lives, and researchers are growing more concerned about its impacts on our brains and bodies. In this video, we'll delve deep into the latest research on what causes phone dependency, how to identify if you're clinically addicted to your phone, and the top 3 scientific tips for reducing phone usage. One of the main culprits of phone dependency is app design, meticulously crafted to capture our attention and keep us engaged. App developers employ sophisticated techniques to make their applications as engaging and addictive as possible. They utilize principles of behavioral psychology to create interfaces that capture users' attention and encourage frequent interaction. Features like constant notifications, gamification elements, and personalized content recommendations are strategically implemented to keep users hooked. Furthermore, phone dependency is often linked to the need for social validation. Social media platforms in particular play a significant role in fostering phone dependency through the allure of social validation. The need for recognition and approval from peers drives individuals to continuously check their phones, seeking likes, comments, and followers as indicators of social status and acceptance. The fear of missing out on social interactions or updates further reinforces this behavior. Another significant factor is the instant gratification phones provide. The ability to access information, entertainment, and social connection instantly creates a sense of immediate pleasure, which can lead people to become reliant on their phones to fulfill their emotional needs. Additionally, phone dependency can also be influenced by underlying psychological factors such as loneliness, boredom, or low self-esteem. For some individuals, excessive phone usage serves as a coping mechanism to alleviate negative emotions or fill voids in their lives. Societal norms and peer pressure contribute to the normalization of heavy phone usage, further perpetuating dependency. In a culture where constant connectivity is valued and encouraged, individuals may feel compelled to remain glued to their devices to stay in the loop and maintain social connections. Without clear boundaries and self-regulation practices, individuals may struggle to moderate their phone usage effectively. In summary, phone dependency arises from a complex interplay of factors ranging from app design and social validation to psychological needs and cultural influences. Understanding these underlying drivers is essential for developing effective strategies to mitigate dependency and promote healthier relationships with technology. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll explore the top 3 scientific tips for reducing phone usage and taking control of your digital life. Do you find yourself reaching for your phone without thinking or feeling restless when it's not in your hand? You might be showing signs of phone dependency. One clear indicator is the compulsive need to check your device, often for no specific reason. This habitual behavior can be a red flag, especially when it happens in situations where phone use is not necessary or even considered inappropriate. Phone dependency doesn't just affect your relationship with your device, it spills over into every aspect of life. Anxiety or irritation when your phone is unavailable is another sign. Imagine feeling a surge of stress because you left your phone at home or it ran out of battery. This is a common reaction for those with an unhealthy attachment to their phones. Moreover, when your phone starts to take precedence over your personal, professional, or social obligations, it's a sign that dependency is affecting your daily functioning. Neglecting meals, chores, or social interactions to spend more time scrolling can have serious consequences on your overall well-being. And let's talk about sleep or the lack thereof. Excessive phone use, especially before bed, can wreak havoc on your sleep quality. The blue light from screens messes with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Poor sleep doesn't just make you groggy, it can impact your physical health and cognitive functions. Then there's the matter of concentration and emotional well-being. If you're finding it hard to focus or you're experiencing heightened stress and negative emotions, your phone could be to blame. The constant barrage of notifications and social media updates can be overwhelming, leading to a vicious cycle of seeking relief in the very device that's causing the stress. If these signs resonate with you and you feel your phone use is getting in the way of living your life to the fullest, it might be time to seek professional help. Mental health professionals can offer support and strategies to manage your phone use and address any underlying issues. Support groups and digital detox resources can also be invaluable in helping you regain control and improve your well-being. Remember, recognizing the signs is the first step to change, and help is available to guide you through the process. Are you constantly reaching for your phone only to lose hours to endless scrolling? It's a common struggle, but science offers us strategies to break free from the digital grip. Here's how you can reclaim your time and attention. Start by setting time limits for phone usage. Designate specific times for checking messages and social media. This isn't just about discipline. It's about creating a structure that frees you from the phone's constant call. By reserving morning or evening periods for digital communication, you'll find yourself less tempted to engage in mindless scrolling throughout the day. Next, silence those pesky notifications. Turning off notifications can help reduce constant interruption and the compulsion to check the phone, experts say. By doing so, you'll minimize distractions, allowing you to focus on what truly matters and enjoy moments of tranquility. Embrace digital detachment. Set aside time to disconnect completely by engaging in activities that boost your physical and mental well-being. Whether it's a workout session, a walk in nature, or quality time with loved ones, these moments away from the screen are crucial for reducing phone dependency. Consider establishing phone-free zones and times. Make meal times, family gatherings, and certain spaces like bedrooms or workplaces off-limits to phone usage. This not only promotes better sleep and focus, but also opens up opportunities for deeper connections and mental rest. Lastly, use technology to your advantage. There are apps designed to track and manage your phone usage, offering insights and tools to help you become more mindful of your habits. Features like app blockers and bedtime reminders can support healthier phone usage patterns. Remember, your phone is a tool, not a necessity. By recognizing signs of dependency and implementing these science-based strategies, you can regain control over your digital life. It's important to remember that the phone is a tool, not a necessity, and with patience and self-compassion, you can enjoy a more balanced and fulfilling life. How do you tackle phone dependency? Share your experiences and join the conversation below. And for more tips on mental health and well-being, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take the first step towards a less distracted life.